Do not, therefore, fling away your fearless confidence, for it has a glorious and great reward.
No, stop right there. Stop right there. Now, here is the nature of faith. There's a reward coming to those who have communion, who have fellowship with God. See, equate communion and fellowship with relationship.
Mm-hmm.
Equate communion and fellowship with faithfulness. The Hebrew word is emulia.
Very good.
Stick with God. Even under all of these tribulations. Remember, you used to do that.
Mm-hmm. In the beginning.
In the beginning. You
when
used to
you
do that.
first understood what you were involved in.
Yeah.
Right.
Don't stop now. There's a reward coming your way. A reward.
Mm-hmm.
Now, it says, do not therefore fling away your fearless.
Fling away. Don't throw it away.
Yeah, you're fling away your fearless confidence, for there's a glorious and great reward. For you have need of patient endurance to bear up under difficult circumstances without compromising. See the faith there? What I'm trying to tell you is that what's being taught here is under difficulties
Mm-hmm.
of all kinds.
All kinds.
The Hebrew believers here were being taught, maintain relationship with God. Now, because there's a reward coming if you maintain faithfulness. And the difficult circumstances that you used to go through, you maintain faithfulness then. Now, let's put some practicality on this for the current day. You and I go through all kinds of difficulties. All kinds of people telling you, why are you preaching? All kinds of difficulties. You need to shut up that talk about Jesus. We don't want to hear it. We are under a holy command to be faithful, to obey the go ye therefore and teach all nations. Remember, Jesus has all authority, all power in heaven and earth. And he said, go ye therefore. Now, I'll tell you something else. There was a gentleman in the Old Covenant there, in the Old Testament. His name was Noah. Noah preached for 100 years a righteous message. Get on this boat that I'm making out here,
Mm-hmm.
and you'll be saved from judgment of waters coming from everywhere, 40 days and 40 nights.
Mm-hmm.
Noah was faithful to do it.
Yeah.
Yo, what you doing out there, Noah? I'm building a boat. Why are you building a boat?
It's going to rain.
It's going to rain. 40 days and 40 nights. The Lord God is going to flood this planet, and he's doing it to get rid of sin. He's going to judge sin.
Yeah.
You get in this boat, you will be saved.
You will escape it
From judgment. Now, you know the rest of the story. Nobody repented. Did that shut Noah up? No.
No.
He was being faithful to build a boat without seeing any water for 100 years or so. That's some faithfulness. That's some stick to it. That's some loyalty to purpose. That's what's being preached here in terms of what faith's about.